Show you how easy it is to download a Loom video so that you can upload it into Canva or other applications to add subtitles, or some people call them captions, to add animations, start screens, uh, the video thumbnails, and so forth. So here's one I've just recorded, and you'll see this is a free account, right? Which I believe most people have. It's not really necessary to have a paid account, but you can if you use it all the time. Then I would. But you're going to go here and you're going to copy the link, and then you're going to go to an application called SnapSave.cc. You can see it up there, and then you're going to paste it in. You're going to paste the link that you just copied, and you're going to click download. And you can see here now, there it says HDMP4 4.05 megabytes. Click on that. And you can see now it's gonna, so name what it is. So add subtitles to video with Canva. I can never type when I'm talking, so quite annoying. There you go. So, and that's all you do. Now it is saved on your desktop, and you can go and find it where you usually find. See, there's the file there. So now I can upload it wherever I want, and that's it. It's that easy.